Today we will be starting with the text. Before that, let us recite the Shlokam. Narayanam namaskritya naram jaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet anugrahaya lokanam avatirnaya vishnave klesha apahaya krishnayaha parthasarataye namaha. So the first shloka, as I mentioned in the introductory class, it is the Mangala Shlokam of Mahabharatam. The second one is the Mangala Shloka. It was written by poet Lakshmana Suri in the the text Bharata Sangraham. So he starts with this benedictory verse saying that Anugrahaya Lokanam Avatirnaya Vishnave Klesha Apahaya Krishnayaha Parthasarataye Namaha. So he says, Parthasarataye Namaha. I salute the charioteer of Partha. Parthasya Saratihi, Parthasaratihi. Tasmai Parthasarataye Namaha. So I go to the Parthasarathi. Who is he? What all he has done? Anugrahaya Lokanam Avatirnaya. So he has descended to this mortal world for what? For the purpose of Anugrahaya Lokanam, to bless or to save the Lokanam is Jananam. Jananam Anugrahaya Avatirnaya Vishnave. Vishnave here means Sarva Vyapi, who is all pervasive. The Lord is the omniscient and omnipotent. He is all pervasive. So Vishnave is Sarva Vyapi iti Vishnuhu. Vyapyate iti Vishnuhu. Vishnave Namaha. Lokanam Anugrahaya Avatirnaya Vishnave Namaha. Lokanam Anugrahaya Avatirnaya Parthasarataye Namaha. What else he did? Krishnayaha Klesha Apahaya. Krishna here is Draupadi. So Krishnayaha, Draupadyaha Klesha Apahaya. To remove the sorrow or the difficulty of Draupadi, Lord Krishna has descended to this. He has taken an avatara and came to this mortal world. To that Lord Krishna, to that Parthasarathi, I offer my salutations. That's how he begins the text. Anugrahaya Lokana, Avatirnaya Vishnave, Klesha Apahaya Krishnayaha, Parthasarataye Namaha. Then he will move on with the text. I have what I have done is the above this line, the whatever is typed in the red is the moolam, is the text, and below that I have given the Vigraha Vakyam, so it is easy for you people to follow. So he starts with saying, Asti Kurushu Astinakyam Nagaram. Kurushu Hastinakyam Nagaram Asti. That is how you should understand the sentence. Kurushu, Kuruvamshe or Kuru Deshe. Hastina Akyam Nagaram. Astina iti Akyam. Astina iti Akya Yasya Tat. So it qualifies Nagaram. It comes as an adjective for Nagaram. Kurushu Astinakyam Nagaram Asti. So in the Kuru Vamsha or Kuru Desha, in the Kuru Desha, Hastinakyam Nagaram Asti. There is a city by name Astina. So Hastina is the name of the city. So you have to, the Vigraha Vakyam for Hastina is Astina iti Akya, Hastinakya. Astina iti Akya Yasya Tat. As it goes as an adjective for Nagaram, and Nagaram being a Napumsakalingam, you have to say Astinakyam Nagaram Kurushu Asti. Tatra, there, Chandravamsha Pratipasya Tanujaha Shantanuhu Nama Raja Asit. Tatra here is, Tatra means Kutra. Tasmin Vamshe or Tasmin Rajye Chandravamsha Pratipasya Tanujaha Shantanuhu Nama Raja Asit. See, the main sentence here is Shantanuhu Nama Raja Asit. That is the main sentence. There in the Kuruvamsha, there lived a Raja, a king by name Shantanuhu. Shantanuhu Nama Raja Kuruvamshe Asit. And who is he? Pratipasya Tanujaha. And he is the son of Pratipa. There was the predecessor of Shantanu. The Raja who ruled before Shantanu, the father of Shantanu is Pratipaha. So Chandra Vamsha Pratipasya Tanujaha. So how is this Pratipa? This Pratipa who was shining like a what to say, shining light of the lunar lineage. Chandravamshasya Pradipasya. So Chandravamsha Pradipasya. So this Chandravamsha Pradipaha comes as an adjective for Pratipaha. So both are in sixth case. Shashti Vibhakti. Chandravamsha Pradipasya Pratipasya Tanujaha Shantunuhu Nama Raja Asit. Tatra Tasmin Vamshe Tasmin Deshe Shantanuhu Nama Raja Asit. That is the main sentence. There lived a king by name Shantanu. Who is this Shantanu? Pratipasya Tanujaha. He is the son of Pratipa. And who is this Pratipaha? Pratipa is a proper noun. Is the name of a king. So Chandravamsha Pratipasya. He was like a shining light of the lunar lineage Chandravamsha. So Chandravamshasya Pradipaha, Chandravamsha Pradipaha. तस्य चन्द्रवंशप्रदीपस्य प्रतीपस्य तनुजः शन्तनुः नाम राजा आसीत्. Then तस्य गङ्गायां देवव्रतो नाम पुत्रो जज्ञे. तस्य here तस्य goes to शन्तनुः. तस्य शन्तनोः तस्य राज्ञः शन्तनोः गङ्गायां देवव्रतो नाम पुत्रो जज्ञे. तस्य शन्तनोः देवव्रतो नाम पुत्रो जज्ञे. So he was blessed with a child by name Devavrata. So he got a son by name Devavrata. Jagnya here is Janir Pradurbhave. It is in Litlakara, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. So Devavrato Nama Putraha Tasya Jagnya. From whom? Gangayam. So through Ganga, this Shantanu was blessed with a son by name Devavrata. As I told you in the introductory class, he has not taken the story step by step like how it was in Mahabharata. So there are a lot of things, lot of stories that happened before this and during the storyline. So Tasya Gangayam Devavrato Nama Putro Jajñe Saha Prapta Yavvanaha Api पितुः अपेक्षया यावत् जीवं ब्रह्मचर्य एव आत्मनः अवस्थानं प्रतिजज्ञे. सो प्रतिजज्ञे हियर इज प्रतिज्ञां कृतवान् इत्यर्थः. सः देवव्रतः प्राप्त यौवनो अपि in spite of attaining the youth stage पितुः अपेक्षया as the father was in need. Apeksha here means desire. Due to the desire of his father, Yavat Jivam, Jivanagala Padyantam, till his lifetime, Brahmacharya is celibacy, Eva Atmanaha Avasthanam Pratijagni. So what did he do? This Devavrata, despite being young, he abide to celibacy. What is the reason? Considering the desire of his father, he took the decision of to remain brahmachari till his lifetime. That is the meaning of the sentence. Here, Saha goes to Bhishma, that is Devavrata, Prapta Yavvanaha api. So, Praptam Yavvanam Yena Saha. One who by whom the youth stage has been attained or reached. Okay, so Praptam Yavvanam Yena Saha, by whom the youth stage has been achieved or attained. Pituhu Apekshaya, considering the desire of his father. Pituhu Apekshaya. So Pituhu Apekshaya, Yavat Jivam, Yavat Jivati iti Yavat Jivam, Jivanagala Paryantam ityartaha. Yavat Jivam, Brahmacharya eva, Brahmacharya is celibacy, eva, Atmanaha here is self. Atmanaha Avasthanam. So he considered his status or his sthiti will be a brahmachari only for his lifetime. Like this, he took a pratijagnya, ekam pratiknyam kritavan ityartah, akarot ityartah. Saha Bhishmaha prapta yavvanaha api, in spite of, despite attaining the youth stage, pituhu apekshaya, considering the need or the desire of his father, yavat jivam, जीवनकाल पर्यन्तं brahmacharya eva atmanaha avasthanam pratijagне. So he has decided to remain brahmachari, or he decided to hold or abide to celibacy. Atmanaha avasthanam. Atmanaha avasthanam is the status of his self. Atmanaha avasthanam pratijagне. Pratignyam kritavan. After which Tataha Saha Bhishmaha Abhavat. After this, he was named as Bhishma. Okay, so in Mahabharata, he says, nobody might have taken such an oath before me or even after me. I am the one has taken such a bold decision to stay or to stick to celibacy for my lifetime. So, Asti Gurushu Astinakyam Nagaram Tatra Chandravamsha Pratipasya Tanujaha Shantanuhu Nama Raja Asid. Tasya Gangayam Devavrato Nama Putro Jagye. Saha Praptayovano api Pituhu Apekshaya Yavajjivam Brahmacharya eva Atmanaha Avasthanam Pratijagye. Tataha Saha Bhishmaha Abhavad. So here I've given what all the Samastapadam in this particular slide. So Hastina iti Akyam. So Akhya is always a Strilinga. So we have to say Astina iti Akhya, and as it qualifies, as it comes as an adjective or Nagaram, you have to put it at, turn the word into Napumsakalinga. So Astina iti Akhya yasya tat, by saying that it qualifies, it comes as an adjective for Nagaram. So Astina iti Nagaram. And Chandra Vamsha Pradipaha, everybody knows. Chandra iti Vamshaha, we need not split that. So Chandra Vamshasya Pradipaha. One who is like a light, or one who is a shining light of Chandra Vamsha. So Chandra Vamshasya Pradipaha Tasya, you can make it in Tatpurusha. Chandra Vamsha Pratipasya Tanujaha Shantanuhu Nama Raja Asid. You don't have any, you have lot of Sandhi here. All simple Sandhi. Astina plus Akyam is Savarna Degam. You might be, most of it or Visarga Sandhi only. Shantanur Nama, Shantanuhu Nama, Shantanur Nama, Visargasya Repaha. Okay. तस्य गंगायां देवव्रतो नाम पुत्रो जज्ञे सः प्राप्त यौवनः अपि, अगेन दिस इज द समस्तपदम, प्राप्तं यौवनं येन सः, by whom the youth stage has been attained or reached. Okay, then okay, आत्मनः अवस्थानं जज्ञे. So brahmacharya eva or brahmacharyam eva. Okay. Brahmacharyam eva atmanah avasthanam pratijagне tatah saha bhishmah abhavat. Next. Yeah. तेन तुष्टः पिता तस्मै स्वच्छन्दमरणं वरं दत्त्वा स्वयं सत्यवती नाम दाशकन्यां परिणीय तस्यां विचित्रवीर्य अभिदम् आत्मजम् उत्पाद्य स्वयं कालधर्मेण अयुज्यत. So tena tushtaha, tena bhishmena, tena devavratena tushtaha pita. So the pita, Shantanu, was very happy about, was very delighted by Bhishma's oath. Because the storyline goes like he wanted to marry the Dashakanya, the fisherman's daughter Satyavati, but the Satyavati's father was very clear that whoever is the whoever is born to Satyavati and Shantanu, those kids only can become the king of Astinapura, but not Bhishma. So in that context only, Bhishma Devavrata took an oath saying that he will stick to celibacy or brahmacharyam for his lifetime. So because of which the king was the Pita was very, very happy. Tena tushtaha Pita. Pita tena bhishmena tushtaha. The father was very happy by the decision of, by the oath of Bhishma. Tasmai deva vrataya swachanda maranam varam datva. So he gave him the swachanda maranam. He can, the person one who can decide his own fate or death. That is called as Swachanda Maranam. Then he married the fisherman's daughter and he was blessed with a son called Vichitra Virya and Abhidam Utpadya Swayam Kala Dharmena Ayujyata. So he has story of 2-3 sargas. He has brought it in a single line, Lakshmana Suri. Tena tushtaha pitaha. So the father, the king Shantanu, was very happy by the decision, by the oath of Bhishma. So immediately he gave a boon. He blessed him with a Swachanda Maranam. Swachanda Maranam is one who can decide his own fate or death is called Swachanda Maranam. Dattva Swayam, the king himself, Satyavati Nama Dashakanyam Pariniya, after marrying the fisherman's daughter, Satyavati, Tasyam, through Satyavati, he was blessed with a child. Vichitra Virya Abhidam Atmajam Utpadya Swayam Kaladharmena Ayujyata. Kaladharma here means death. Kalasya Dharma. Kaladharma. Kaladharmena Ayujyata. So he attained death. That is the meaning of this line. So here Tena goes to Bhishmaha, Devavrataha. Devavratena Tushtaha Pita, the father, who was happy with the decision of Devavrata. Tasmai Devavrataya. To that Devavrata, Swachanda Maranam Varam Dattva. Swachanda Maranam is Swachande Maranam. One who can die on his own will. So Swachandena Maranam Idi Varam Dattva. So giving such a boon, Swayam here goes to the king Shantanuhu, Swayam Satyavati Nama. By name Satyavati, Dashakanyam Pariniya. So he married a girl by name Satyavati, who was the Dashakanya. Dasha is a fisherman, or a Dasa is also called as Brityaha. Dasaha, Dashaha, both are same. So Dashasya Kanya, Dashakanya, Dashakanyam Pariniya. So after marrying the Dashakanya, that is Satyavati, Tam Pariniya, Tasyam, through her, Vichitra Virya Abhidam, Atmajam, Utpadya. So Utpadya here is having produced. So having produced, that is Utpadya, Ut is Upasargam, and Padgatau is the Dhatu, and it is in Lyap and it is in Nich. So he didn't produce, he made through, the child was born through Satyavati. So Vichitra Virya Abhidam Atmajam. Atmajam is Atmani Jayate iti Atmajaha. One who was born from his own self. So Atmani Jayate iti Atmajam, Vichitra Virya iti Abhidam Atmajam. So Vichitra Virya iti Abhida Yasya Saha Tam. It goes as an adjective for Atmajam. So Vichitra Virya Abhidam Atmajam Utpadya Swayam. Swayam is again, it goes to the king Shantanuhu. Swayam Kaladharmena Ayujyata. So Kalasya Dharmaha Kaladharmaha. அதாவது ஆயுஷः பரிணாமகாலே பஞ்சத்வ பிராப்தி ரூபோ தர்மः, that is மிருத்யுः. So at the end of our lifetime, we reach a state that is called as kala dharmaha, and it is called as the kala dharma is equal to mrityuhu. So kala dharmena ayujyata here is he joined the death, he attained. So kala dharmena ayujyata, so he attained death. Yuj is again Yujur Yoge Karmani. Yeah. Abhidam is name. Abhida is name. Like how Akhya we said, no? The same way Abhida is also called as, it's a name for name. So Tena Tushtaha Pita Tasmai Swachanda Maranam. Swachanda Maranam is Swachandena Maranam, Swachanda Maranam. One who can decide his own destiny, or one who can die according to his own wish at the time he wanted to die. He wants to die. So varam datva, varam is boon, datva after giving, satyam, swayam satyavati nama. So he married Satyavati nama. Okay. Yeah, lot of QA mein, there's a lot of questions coming up. So Swayam Satyavati nama, Dasha Kanya is Dashasya Kanya, Dasha Kanya, Dasha Kanyam Pariniya. Again is Pari is the Upasarga, Ni Nayati, and it is in Lyap. Having married, it means Tasyam in her, Satyavatyam, Vichitra Virya Abhidam. It's a single word, it's a compound word. Vichitra Viryaha iti abhida yasya saha tam. As it goes as an adjective to Atmajam, we have to put it in the Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Vichitra Viryaha, Virya iti abhida yasya. Abhida means name. Okay. So one whose name is Vichitra Virya. So Vichitra Virya iti abhida yasya saha tam Vichitra Virya abhidam. Yeah. Vichitra Virya ityapi nama. Okay. Actually, in the original story, she was blessed with two children. One is Vichitra Virya, another one is Chitrangada. But Chitrangada fought with an Asura by name Chitrangada, and he died. Vichitra Virya is the one who was a surviving son of Shantanu through Satyavati. After some time, he also died. That's how the storyline is going to be. Yeah. Yes. So tasyam vichitra virya abhidam atmajam utpadya swayam kaladharmena ayujyata, and he joined the death, means he died. Then Bhishmastu bhalasya bratu rajyam swayam dadat tadanu yavvanarudam tam rajanam kritva kashi rajasutabhyam grihamedinam cha chakara. So Bhishmastu Rajanam Grihamedinam Chakara. That is the main sentence. Bhishma tam Rajanam Yavvanarudam tam Vichitra Viryam Rajanam Kritva. He made Vichitra Virya as the king, and also Grihamedinam Chakara. Medati is to join. So Grihe Medati iti Grihamedin. Medhi is ini pratyaya. Medhi, Medhinau, Medinaha, Medhinam. So he made him a grihastha. Like I should say it in English, householder. Grihamedhi is grihastaha. Grihastam Chakara. So Bhishmastu. So what did he do? See, after Vichitra Virya was born, Shantanu Kaladharmena Ayujyata. Saha Mrutyum Praptavan. Shantanu. Bhishma, so the whole responsibility was in the hands of Bhishma. So Bhishmastu Balasya Bratuhu Rajyam. Bratuhu here is in Shashti. Bratuhu Rajyam. Here that Visarga Sandhi, Visarga changes to Visarga becomes Lopa when it is followed by a Rakaram, and the Purva Varna takes a Dirgham. That Sandhi has been applied here. Bratu Rajyam. Okay, Bratuhu Rajyam, it's in Sandhi. So Bratuhu is Shashti Vibhakti. Because of Sandhi, the form is Bratu Rajyam. The kingdom that belongs to his brother Vichitra Virya. Swayam Dadat is Dharana Poshana Yoho. It is in Shatru Pratyam. Swayam Dadat. So he was managing. Swayam here goes to Bhishma. Bhishma himself was managing the Rajyam. Whose Rajyam? The kingdom that belongs to his brother. Dadat. Tadanu is later on. Tadanantaram ityartaha. Tadanu Yavvanarudam tam. See, when Vichitra Virya was in a very young stage, when he was an infant or later he became a balakaha, he was not in a position to rule or handle the kingdom. So during that stage, Bhishma took over. He didn't become the king, but he was the one who was managing the kingdom. So Bhishmastu Balasya Bratu Rajyam, the Rajyam, the kingdom that belongs to his young or small younger brother. Swayam Dadat. So he was bearing it, or he was ruling it, or he was taking all the decisions. Tadanu, tadanantaram, later on, when the Balaka, when Vichitra Virya came to an youth stage, that is Yavvanarudham. So Yavvane Arudaha, Yavvanarudaha, Tam Yavvanarudham. When he attained the uh, no, okay. Dadan is not the Shatru Pratyam, Dadat only. Da for it is Dadat only. Okay. So Dadat Tadanu Yavvanarudam tam. Yavvane Arudaha tam. One who has reached the youth stage. When he attained the youth stage, Yavvane Arudaha, Yavvanarudaha, tam Yavvanarudam Rajanam Kritva. So tam Yavvanarudam Vichitra Viryam tam Vichitra Viryam. How is he? Yavvanarudam Vichitra Viryam Rajanam Kritva. So after making him as a king, when Vichitra Virya became, when he attained the youth stage, when he came to that age, Bhishma made Vichitra Virya as the king, number one. Then what else he did? Kashi Raja Sutabhyam Grihamedinam Chakara. So Kashi Raja, Kashyaha Raja, Kashi Raja, Kashi Rajasya Suta, Kashi Raja Suta Tabhyam. There were three daughters for Kashi Raja, Amba, Ambika, and Ambalika. We all know Amba was totally reluctant. She didn't want to come with Bhishma, but Bhishma forcibly brought her. After coming to Hastinapura, she tells Bhishma that she had already fallen in love with someone else, so she cannot marry Vichitra Virya. Due to which Bhishma said, "You can go as you're interested in someone. You may leave this place." So Amba went later on. That Amba only that lover also rejected her. Then again she came back to Bhishma and asked her to marry her. Bhishma said no, that he has taken a oath of being a brahmachari for his lifetime, so he cannot marry Amba. So he sent her back. After which Amba went to Parashurama. Parashurama is none other than the guru of Bhishma. Parashurama came and asked Bhishma, why you are not accepting Amba? And there was a fight between, there happened a fight between Bhishma and Parashurama. That is the story of Bhishma Vijayam. In the introduction class, I said about one of the works of Lakshmana Suri, that is Bhishma Vijayam. And the Katha comes in Pravesha, Bhishmasya Vratastema. So here again, that story and all is not brought here by Lakshmana Suri. Kashi Raja Sutabhyam Grihamedinam Chachakara. So he made him a Grihastha for these two princes of Kashi Raja. Okay, Suta is daughter. So Bhishma made Vichitra Virya marry the princesses of Kashi Raja, daughters of Kashi Raja. So this is the meaning of the sentence. So again, I'll repeat. Bhishmastu Balasya Bratu Rajyam. So the original is Bratuhu Rajyam. Bratuhu is Shashti, like Pituhu, Ekavachanam. Bratuhu Rajyam becomes Bratu Rajyam because of the rule of Visarga Sandhi, where the Bratuhu, that Visarga gets Lopa as it is followed by the Rakara, and the Purva Varna gets the Dirga, that is Bratu Rajyam. Swayam Dadat. So he was holding it, he was managing it. Tadanu is Tadanantaram. Yavvanarudam tam. So Tadanantaram, so after managing the kingdom on his own, because of the reason that Vichitra Virya was in a very Bala stage, or was in an infant stage, he was in his childhood, because of which Bhishma was managing the Rajyam. After some time, when the same Vichitra Virya attained the youth stage, Yavvanarudam tam Vichitra Viryam Rajanam Kritva, he made him the king. And what did he do? After that, Kashi Raja Sutabhyam Grihamedinam cha Chakara. And he also made him as a Grihastha by getting him married to the Kashi Raja's daughters. Okay, so if you see, So many things, so many a story has been given in one line. He was holding the Rajyam because Vichitra Virya was young, and he made him a Raja after he became a Yauvana, youth stage, attained his youth stage. And again, he got him married to these the daughters of Kashi Raja. Okay. So, Tena Tushtaha Pita Tasmai Swachanda Maranam. So Swachandena Maranam, Swachanda Maranam. That is the Vigravakyam. Swachandena, Swachandam is independent. One who can Swachanda Viharaha, one who moves independently. So it's Swachandaha. So Swachandena Maranam. One who can attain death according to his own desire, or he can decide his day and time of death. Varam Dattva Swayam Satyavati Nama Dashakanyam Pariniya. So Dashakanya here is Dashasya Kanya, Dashakanya, the daughter of a fisherman, fisherman's daughter. Tam Dashakanyam Pariniya. Pariniya is after marrying. Tasyam Vichitra Virya Abhidam Atmajam Utpadya. Tasyam Satyavathyam Vichitravirya iti abhida yasya saha tam. Vichitravirya abhidam. It goes as an adjective for Atmajam. Again, Atmani jayate iti Atmajaha. Tam Atmajam. All these comes in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Vichitravirya abhidam Atmajam Utpadya, having produced. Swayam Kaladharmena Ayujyata. So Ayujyata is again lung karmani, lung karmani. Yuj. Bhishmastu Bhalasya Bratu Rajyam Swayam Dadat. Dadat here is Dha and it is in Shatru Pratyaya. The form is Dadat only, not Dadan. So Dadat Tadanu Yauvanarudam Tam Rajanam Kritva Kashi Raja Sutabhyam. So Kashyaha Raja Kashi Raja. So here Kashi Raja becomes a compound word, Samastapadam. After that, so you can't say Kashi Rajnyaha Suta because when the Rajan Shabda, when it comes in a compound word, you have to use the formation will be like Rama Shabda. So you can't say Raja Rajano Rajanaha Rajnyaha Rajnyoho Rajnyam is a Shashti Vibhakti. But when you are saying Maharaja, Maharajasya, so like that only we use. So Kashi Raja Sutabhyam is Kashyaha Raja Kashi Raja. Kashi Rajasya Suta Kashi Raja Suta. Tabhyam Kashi Raja Sutabhyam. Grihamedinam. Yaha Griham Medati Saha Grihamedhi. So one who joins the Griham in the sense Grihastashramam. Saha is called as Grihamedhin is the Shabdam, is a Pratipadikam. Grihamedhin, the Ini Pratyaya is added to it. The Prathama Vibhakti will be Grihamedhi. Grihamedhi, Medhinau, Medinaha, Tam Grihamedinam Chakara. Is it clear? Uh, sorry. तस्मिन्नपि न अतिचिरेण कालेन उपरते कुलवृद्धिम् इच्छुः सत्यवती शान्तनव अनुमत्या पाराशर्यम् आत्मनः कानीनं पुत्रं व्यासं ज्येष्ठायां स्नुषायां अंबिकायां संतानार्थं नियोजयामास. So this Vichitravirya also in few years when Vichitravirya also died, Satyavati, who was desirous in expanding the clan of Kuru, took the permission from Bhishma. She called her son Vyasa and sent the elder daughter-in-law Ambika to him. That is the meaning of this sentence. Tasmin napi na atichirena kalena uparate tasmin. So atichirena, not a long time. In a very short period, tasmin kalena, in a very short period, tasmin napi uparate sati. When Vichitra Virya uparate sati. So when Vichitra Virya also passed away, when he also died, this Satyavati, How is this Satyavati? Kula Vriddhim Ichuhu Satyavati. So this Satyavati wanted Kula Vriddhi. Kula Vriddhi is expansion of her kulam, of her clan. So she wanted a grandchild who will rule the Astinapura later on. So Kula Vriddhim Ichuhu Satyavati Shantanava Anumatya. So by getting the permission from Shantanava, Shantanavaha is Shantanoho apatyam puman Shantanavaha. Here means Bhishmaha. So Shantanava Anumatya, by getting the permission of Shantana, Bhishma, Parasharyam Atmanaha Kaninam Putram Vyasam Jeshtayam. Okay, so she called her Kaninam Putram. Kaninam Putram is Anudayam Kanyayam Jataha Kaninaha, a son of an unmarried woman. So Satyavati got this son Vyasa through Parasharaha. That's why he's called Parasharatmajam Vande Sukatatam Taponitham. So Parasharyaha is Parasharasya Apatyam Puman Parasharyaha. Tam Parasharyam. Who is he? Kaninam Putram. So he Parasharyaha is Vyasaha. Vyasaha is a son of Satyavati. And how is he? He was a Kaninaha Putraha. Kaninaha is she was blessed with this child before her marriage. So Kaninam Putram Atmanaha Kaninam Putram Parasharyam Vyasam. So all these goes as an adjective for Vyasam. So Vyasam, how is this Vyasam? Parasharyam. Parasharasya Putram Vyasam. Atmanaha Kaninam Putram. And also her own son. Atmanaha Kaninam Putram Vyasam. Jeshtayaam Snushayam Ambikayam Santanartham Niyojayamasa. So Niyojayamasa is join. Sangamaya Sangamartham Niyojayamasa. Santanartham Niyojayamasa. So in order to get a heir, a Santana, a son, a grandson for the family, for the Kuru Vamsha, what she did is Satyavati Jeshtayam Snushayam. Jeshta is the elder daughter-in-law. Snusha is daughter-in-law. Jeshtayam, Snushayam, Ambikayam. So this Jeshtayam, Snushayam, these two words goes as an adjective for Ambika. Ambikayam, Saptami. Jeshtayam, Snushayam, Ambikayam. Santanartham Kaninam Putram Vyasam Niyojayamasa Satyavati. Satyavati Niyojayamasa. So Satyavati made these two join. What for? Santanartham. Who? Putram Niyo Santanartham Niyojayamasa. Kaya saha Jeshtaya Snushaya Ambikaya saha. So Jeshtayam Snushayam Ambikayam Santanartham Satyavati Kaninam Putram Vyasam Niyojayamasa. Okay. So again, Tasminnapi na Atichirena Kalena Uparate. When Vichitra Virya also died within a span of time, Kulavriddhim Ichuhu. So Kulasya Kulavriddhihi, Tam Kulavriddhim Ichuhu Satyavati. So this Kulavriddhim Ichuhu goes to Satyavati. Shantanava Anumatya. So Shantanavasya Anumatihi, Taya Anumatya. So by the Anumati or the permission of Shantanavaha. Shantanavaha is Devavrataha Bhishmaha, the son of Shantanu. Parasharyam Atmanaha Kaninam Putram Vyasam Cheshtayam Snushayam Ambikayam Santanartham Niyojayamasa. So Shantanava Anumatya Vyasam Ambikayam Santanartham Satyavati Niyojayamasa. So for the sake of getting an heir, Ambikayam Swam Putram. She made Vyasa and Ambika to get together for the sake of expanding the Kuru Vamsha, the Kuru clan. So how is this Vyasaha? Vyasam, this Putram, Kaninam, Parasharyam, all these words come as an adjective, Visheshana for Vyasam. Jeshtayam, Snushayam, Ambikayam, Santanartham, Niyojayamasa. So for the sake of expanding the clan, she made them join together. Satu tasya asaumyena rupena बीभत्समाना स्वचक्षुषी पिधाय तम उपजगाम. So sa tam upajagama. That is the main sentence. Sa here goes to Ambika. Ambika tam vyasam upajagama. So jagama is to go. Gama gach to go. Jagama is a lit. Upa is samiparte. Samipyarte. So tam upajagama. So she reached. She went near Vyasa. Okay. Sa tam upajagama. Then what did she do? Sa tu tasya asaumyena rupena bibhatsamana. Again, this bibhatsamana goes as an adjective. Qualifies this sa ambika. So bibhatsamana is bibhatsate, to restrain or to hate. So bibhatsate, it's shanach pratyam. Bibhatsamana sa, who had who had some hatred, or who did not like, who had an aversion. So bibhatsamana sa ambika tasya vyasasya asaumyena rupena. Saumyaha is good, very pleasant rupam, pleasant appearance, form. Asaumyaha is very unpleasant form. So by looking at the unpleasant rupam of Vyasa, what she did, swachakshushi pidhaya tam upajagama. So she went, closing her eyes. So swachakshushi is swasyaha chakshushi, or chakshuhu, chakshushi, chakshumshi is a shabdam. So chakshushi is the dvitiya vibhakti dvivachanam, because two eyes. So swam chakshushi you can say, or swasyaha chakshushi pidhaya. Pidhaya is after closing. See, pidaya again is in lyap. So you have, it is a dha, dharana poshana yoho is a dhatu, and api is the upasargam, and akara gets lopa, and you get the form pidhaya. So chakshushi pidhaya tam upajagama. This is the meaning of this sentence. So again, I repeat, sa ambika tu tasya asaumyena rupena. Tasya here goes vyasasya. Saumyaha is good looking. Asaumyaha is very unpleasant. Rupam is akaram, appearance. So asaumyena rupena bibhatsamana. So she got feared, or she was very, what to say, she didn't like. Bibhatsam is jugupsa. It's like aruvarupunu solromla Tamilla. You get an aversion. So bibhatsamana swachakshushi pidhaya swam chakshushi, or swasyaha chakshushi pidhaya, closing her two eyes, tam upajagama. She reached him. So this is the meaning of this two lines. So again I repeat. So here tasminne plus api, tasmin api. Here you have this what to call namudagama sandhi. So rasvaswaraha padante, you have nga na in, and it is when is followed by a swara, then nga na in is substituted. Agamaha bhavati. So tasminne plus api, tasmin api. Na atijirena, na atijirena, na atijirena, there is no samasa in this. It's na plus atijirena, na atijirena, it's only sandhi. Kalena uparate, kala uparate. Kalena plus uparate, kalena uparate, where you have this gunasandhi. Kulavriddhim ichuhu. Kulasya vriddhihi, kulavriddhihi. Tam kulavriddhim ichuhu. So wanted to expand the clan, desirous of expanding the clan. Satyavati Shantanavasya Anumatya. So Shantanavasya, Shantanoho Apatyam Puman Shantanavaha. So Shantanavasya Anumatihi, Shantanava Anumatihi, Taya Shantanava Anumatya Parasharyam. So Parasharyam is Vyasaha. Parasharyam is Parasharasya Apatyam Puman Parasharyam Tam Parasharyam Atmanaha Kaninam Putram Vyasam Jeshtayam Snushayam Ambikayam. See, while looking at the words, I just came across Snusha is Snauti Manaha Yasyam Snusha. So Snauti Manaha iti Snusha, to whom the mind is very compassionate. So when the Putravadhu comes, to the family, we have to be very compassionate towards her. That's why the word snusha came. So snauti manaha. Snusha yasyam snushayam. Okay. So snushayam ambikayam santanartham niyojayamasa. सा तु तस्य असौम्येन रूपेण, अगेन हियर इज सवर्ण दीर्घ, तस्य प्लस असौम्येन, तस्या सौम्येन रूपेण बीभत्समाना. So बीभत्स again is बीभत्सते is the form, is a verb. Bad to restrain or to hate. So बीभत्सते is in shanach pratyaya. बीभत्samana goes as an qualifies that sa, that is Ambika. Then swachakshushi pidhaya, swasyaha chakshushi, swachakshushi pidhaya again is dha, and api is the upasarga. You get a lyap form pidhaya after closing or covering. Tam upajagama. So she reached him. So tasminnapi na atichirena kalena uparate कुलवृद्धिम् इच्छुः सत्यवती शान्तनव अनुमत्या पाराशर्यम् आत्मनः कानीनं पुत्रं व्यासं ज्येष्ठायां स्नुषायाम् अम्बिकायां सन्तानार्थं नियोजयामास. सा तु तस्य असौम्येन रूपेण बीभत्समाना स्वचक्षुषी विधाय तम् उपजगाम. So I'll stop with this for today's class. A lot of questions there. So, okay. Why it is not Kurau? I don't understand your question. R. Jairam, you can unmute and ask. The word is Kuru Vamsham, correct? Kurushu. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you can. I'll talk. Okay. You can, sir.
My question is, why is it Kurushu in Bahuvachan?
See, we always, when we talk about great people and great things, no, Hastinapura, Kuru Vamsha being such a great Vamsha, why should we call them by singular? Even when we address our Guru or people who are much in a respectable position, we don't say Bhavata, we say Bhavat Divi. We don't say Bhavan, we say Bhavantaha. It's like that, no? Same. Huh? Then.
Tari Kuru Vamshe idi vaktavim khalu. Idi Kuru Vamsha idi.
That's why I said both the words. So Kurushu also means the Kuru Vamsha or the Kuru Rajyam.
No, yadi Kuru Vamsha idi bhavati tatra tu Kuru Vamshe idi eva bhavati. Ekavachanam.
No, it's okay. That's why I said no. When we have a high regard for something, we always see, we don't have that habit in English because we say singular also you, plural also you. Tamil lala we say ningo ni. We don't use tvam to a guru, no. Uyam only we say, right? So in the same way, for addressing such a big clan, who's a main plot line for Mahabharatam, he has used this as Kurushu. Then 1 minute.
Astu Acharya. Namaskar.
Then I don't understand anonymous attendee. Should Brahmacharya be in 2/1? What is it? I don't understand.
I think he's asking why is it not Brahmacharyam?
Brahmacharya eva atmanah brahmacharyameda brahmacharyatai, it doesn't come in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Brahmacharya eva. He has taken it as he has taken Brahmacharya as a oath. That's it. No? Right?
Tari Bahuvri Bhavati. Yaha Brahmacharyam
Brahmani charati iti brahmacharyaha va. Brahmacharaha va. Brahmachari. Brahmacharyam. Oh, brahmacharyataya. I'll get back with you with the doubt. I'll check. Okay. Sorry. I'll close that. Then.
Udirayet. Narayanam namaskritya.
I'll get back to you because it's a Mahabharatam shloka. I'll get back to you in the next class. Then what is the meaning of Abhidam, I said Abhidha is name. So Abhidam is not the word. As it is, as it qualifies a Dvitiya Vibhakti, we have converted in Bahuvrihi and made it as Dvitiya Vibhakti. Abhidha is a Strilinga Padam. Then, yeah, Yavat plus Jivam, Yavat Jivam Pugagama Sandhi. Then Vichitra Virya Ityapi Nama, what is it? Lalita Kartikeyan. I didn't understand your question. Dadat, I said it is only Dadat only, not Dadan. Sandhi in Bratuhu Rajyam, I said no, Bratuhu plus Rajyam. Bratuhu, Brata Vinude Rajyam. It is a Rajyam that belongs to the brother, Rajyam of the brother. So Bratuhu was in Sashti Vibhakti. So Bratuhu plus Rajyam, when the Rakara, when the Repa follows, other than the Avarna, Avarna, Akaraha, all the whatever u, e, whichever varna is the preceding vowel with the visarga gets lopa, and because of the repa in the next word, the pura varna gets elongated vowel dirgha, brathu rajyam. Okay, that's a visarga sandhi. Visargaha repaha.
जग्ने लट्लकारः किं भगिनि?
Kasya?
जग्ने प्रतिजग्ने
Pradurjani, prad janayati, like that. So
अनदर लिट् पदमस्ति तस्यापि कृपया वदतु भगिनि.
kasya?
अग्रे अस्ति लिट् पदम्.
एकं क्षणं प्रश्नान् दृष्ट्वा पुनः आगच्छामि. What is Kashiraja Sutabhyam can be taken as 3 by 2? I don't understand. What is I think Tejas Mahodaya has asked the question. Satyavatim Nama instead of Satyavati Nama. Yeah, Satyavatim is correct actually. That is a typo. Right. You're right. Ichuhu goes to Satyavati here. Then see, he made him join Ambika. So Ambikayam, it's like Adhikaranam type. So Ambikayam Saptami. What is the meaning of Pidhaya? Pidhaya is covering, closing, after closing. So Namaste. Uparataha is end. Uparatam is end. Swachhandamaranam is same as Ichamrityu, correct. Then Pidaya, okay, Pidaya, the Upasarga is Api plus Dha plus Lyap. Due to some rule, the Akara gets elided. It's removed. Lopaha bhavati. Anantaram Pidhaya iti Rupam bhavati. Rupam siddhyati. Swayam Kala Dharmena Yujjata. Yeah, it's Karmani. Then anywhere? Yeah.
Madam, Ichuhu iti tatra prathama asti va shashti asti?
Prathama eva. Ichuhu iti.
What form is that, madam?
Ish dhatoho. Ichuhu iti bhavati.
Yaha ichchati saha ichuhu.
Ichuhu, yeah. Then Lalita Kartikeyan. Yeah.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
Ah.
भगिनी तत्र विचित्रवीर्यः इति नाम तत्र अभिधाय अपि नाम वा द्वयं नामद्वयं वा अन्य?
Nee. Vichitravirya Abhidam iti samasthapadam. How will you split it? Tasya Vigravakye Karaniye Sati. Vichitravirya iti Abhida. One who has a name, one who is named, one who is called by the name Vichitravirya. So Vichitravirya iti Abhida yasya tam. Add it as it comes as an adjective for Atmajam. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Abhida is Strilinga padam va?
Abhida is Strilinga padam. Akhya is also Strilinga. So I can't say Vichitravirya iti Abhidaha. I can say only Vichitravirya iti Abhida yasya tam. Okay.
Okay. धन्यवादः.
Yeah.
जगाम गच्छति.
Kale Jagama gachati. Yes, gam Jagama.
जग्ने जनयति.
Janir Pradurbhave is Jagne.
Another at beginning only that came.
Yeah, I will attend to the lit at the end, sir. There are other questions. So kalena uparate is atichirena kalena with a very limited time or in limited years he passed away. That is the meaning. Uparatam is end. Who has attained the end? Nati Chirena only everybody else. Ma'am, I joined only last class. Yeah, well, yes, Matangi, the video is available. Matangi Mahodaya and who else? 1 minute. Yeah. Matangi Mahodaya. You can unmute and talk. Vadantu.
The first class I missed. I joined only on Thursday. So
Yeah, it is
last
available. It is available in YouTube. No, they have
okay,
uploaded it on the very same day.
okay. And in the final test, how they will ask, like it will be descriptive question.
I'm yet to prepare for the test.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But
I
can
will
we
be
write in our own words?
No, I will be insisting more on these compound words only. Samastabadam,
Okay,
no.
okay.
Where
Okay.
everyone find, because see, knowing as I told you in the trailer
Yes.
video,
Big.
everybody more or less we know the story of Mahabharata.
Yeah.
Pandavas and Kauravas.
Yeah.
It was a fight. Of course, there are many Upagathas which none of us know. So that is different. Learning the plot line is one part. Understanding the
Yes.
compound word and breaking the Vikra Vakyam is the main thing. So mostly I will be asking based on Sandhi, Samasam, and probably the first class I can ask you about if I tell everything now, then you can prepare for the
Yeah. Totally. Thank you. Because I missed the first class. I don't know what introduction you gave. Okay.
Yeah.
I will
It's
check the
available.
class again. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Then Lalita Kartikeyan Mahodaya. Yes. Vadantu. You raised, no? Then who else? Jairam Mahodaya. Kimapi asti va?
अस्ति तत्र उपरतः इति पदं तत्र उप प्लस् रम् धातु अस्ति तस्य युक्तप्रत्ययः भवति वा?
Uparatah. Uparatah. Uparate.
But ram means enjoy the artha.
I will check and tell you, sir. I'm not very sure about that ram.
Uparam.
Yeah.
किं प्रत्ययः भवति महोदय? किं प्रत्ययः भवति? उप प्लस रम प्लस प्रत्ययः किम्?
No. I'll check and tell, I said.
Yukta pratyaya.
Mahodaya, I have asked the questions. Forgot to lower my hand. Sorry.
Yeah. I think I have answered your question, Lalita Kartikeyan.
Yes, Mahodaya. Punaha ahutavati atah eva aham.
So whatever the questions that are left, will be attended in next class. The Uparati, what is the root form of Upa plus Ratiya, Ramma, we'll check on that. And what else? That's it. Okay. Santushtaha, Tushtaha, both. Samyak Tushtaha, Santushtaha. Tushtaha is happy.
Is there any condition when to use Tushtaha, when to use Santushtaha?
If you're extremely happy, Santushtaha. Here, probably Shantanu is happy, but he may not be extremely happy. Because nobody likes the son to be as a brahmachari,
Yes, sir.
But at the same time, his desire was getting fulfilled. So he was happy.
Okay.